You can also insert out image directly by pasting out the URL inside of Google Sheets. And to do that, I'm going to go around into insert right here, and then I'm going to go to image, and then I'm going to select image over cells right here. So once I do that, what I can do is I can go around into by URL section right here, and here you have a space to paste out the URL of an image. So you can go to any website of your choice and then copy out the image URL. So I've already done that in my case. So I'm just going to right click right here and paste it out. So this is the image URL. And as I paste it, you can see that you see the preview of the image right there. So now what you can do is you can click on insert image. And what happens is that that image is downloaded out and is inserted onto your Google Sheets just like this. So you can resize this and work around with this image however you wish now. And that is how you can insert out images by using URL inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.